విజయోస్తు ప్రతి అడుగులో విజయోస్తు శంకరరెడ్డి గారిని వేదికపైకి తెలుస్తూ శరీర విద్యనభ్యసించి వైద్య వృత్తి ఆచరించి సమాజ సేవ నుంచి విద్యావేత్తగా ఎదిగి విద్యనే మందుగా విలువలే బాధ్యతగా నిరంతరం శ్రమిస్తూ ఆరకుండా జ్వలిస్తూ ఆగకుండా గమిస్తూ ప్రేమను గుర్తిస్తూ ర్యాంకులను సాధిస్తూ ఆదర్శంగా నిలుస్తూ అభివృద్ధిని తపిస్తూ ఉపాధి కల్పిస్తూ స్నేహహస్తం చూపిస్తూ తప్పులను సంచేస్తూ భావితరాల వారికి దివిటీగా నిలుస్తూ ఆక్స్ఫోర్డ్ సంస్థకు విజయాలని ఆశిస్తూ విజయోస్తు విజయోస్తు ప్రతి అడుగులో విజయోస్తు
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, all of you. Thank you all, especially Wali sir. I think maybe a few months back he said something, we want to create the lesson something like this because children are not interested to listen. So if you can create something like a song or a visual or a picturization, they will be more useful. I thought he is doing something, but finally he landed it in something. Anyway, thank you, sir. So maybe I think 10th class we are not meeting regularly in the speeches, only up to 9th class. So I'll take few minutes. So compared to the previous batches, whenever I meet you, I used to say only one thing that your batch knows. What is that? Huh? Say the truth. Yeah. So right now, even though I used to say the worst batch, but people are just taking it seriously and moved more towards the academic. And last exam I have seen a lot of competition. Many, they are performing well in the exams. And I can see there is a internal, some sort of very cool competition. In my 17 years of Oxford School, I never seen a batch with this many number of groups. I'm frankly saying. All of you know. Out of 147 or 148,
Yeah, sir.
you can ask any of your teachers. There's a batch with more number of groups. If more number of groups are there, lot of criticism, fighting, all these things will be there. But nothing is there in that. So that is one of the plus point. Even though there are many groups, there is no egos or negative thing or one complaining on the other or one criticizing the other. Nothing is there. Everyone is doing their job. I think you people are enjoying. Just I appreciate that one. But we need little bit of competition, and I've seen many, not in single digit this time, more than double digit. There is a lot of competition. We can't say who is good, who is bad, who is going to be the top. Whenever any parent asks, I say maximum I can just give 580. So beyond that is everything. Your handwriting, presentation, luck, everything should favor. That doesn't matter. Once we give our 100%, rest, whoever the God you believe, they will do. So if it is minor, plus or minus, doesn't matter. First, we need to give our full hard work. So once we give the full hard work, so automatically rest of the things will happen automatically. There is nothing to worry, right? And rather than the school, from the college side, I think even though I am the parent of a 10th class child, I am also anxious how many marks my daughter is going to score, because everybody is asking. Because any parent comes to me and asks, sir, what about your daughter, sir? I say nothing, I never ask her. Because she's studying, how many score doesn't matter. But as a parent, I am getting many phone calls from different colleges. Finally, after getting the cost, I used to say, I am running a school, I have a college, please don't call. And sometimes many of your phone numbers are mixed with my number. So it doesn't matter. Next academic year, you are going to just move on to the +1, +2. Make sure whatever the group you are going to select with your will, not with your parent or somebody forces or whatever it may be. Know your capabilities. Don't just directly train that I'll just go for a gunshot IIT or a gunshot NEET or something. Depends on your capabilities. Even a degree child also who has done, or an average student, are also just earning 20 to 30 lakhs per year, or just a month also they are getting around 2 to 3 lakhs. It's not a big issue. Or the one who scored around 99 may succeed or may not succeed. The one on the average may succeed. Doesn't matter. Mostly the average students will succeed because their talking capacity will be much more rather than the silent people. So I request all of you, don't simply make false promises for your parents like I'll do, I'll shine, I am capable. Unnecessarily don't get stress your education. If you are capable, do that one. If you are not capable, just say them, I'm just up to this standard, but your communication or your efforts will fetch you in the future. Doesn't matter, right? So select the group whatever you like as per your wish. If you are not aware of that, which one you want to select, take the help of your elders. Don't bother about my mother or my father is asking that, this doesn't matter. And whatever you are going to take, make sure that you just put your 100%. And every year we used to say this year is more important, this is most important. 10th is important, +1, +2 is important. Then first year of your engineering or medical or degree doesn't matter. These 4 years are very, very important, whoever, whatever they say, doesn't matter. If you take care of these 4 years, you can enjoy the rest of your life. If you enjoy the next 4 years, throughout the life you will be on the roads. Right? Whichever the path you want, you can select. And I wish all the best for the 10 children. And I need more competitive way, so leave all the time pass activities, take it seriously. You have less than 20 days. And anyway, tomorrow is a holiday, day after tomorrow, morning session holiday. And then now in the middle, you have a lot of holidays. So maximum 10 to 15 days you are going to work. So take it seriously, work whatever the syllabus you have studied, revise it, and concentrate more on the presentation, especially those who scored around 570 and above. Many of you are lagging in your handwritings. And some people I already have told you, so even if present well, if your handwriting is bad, you may land up by losing 30-40 marks. So presentation, if it is not good, if you lose the marks, then if you cry or something, nobody is going to do anything. So along with the presentation, handwritings, work or subject, everything is important. Make sure that wherever you are logging, just try to cover it off and just make sure that you feel happy and make your parents proud. Thank you. All the best for 10th class and 9th class. Still, make sure that you better than the previous batch, because there is a great guys in the 9th M2 previously and some, so you have a lot of time to get change, otherwise we will make you to change, right? All the best for the junior 10th and especially for the 10th class. Once again, thank you.